In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock contacts in Zoom. If you've blocked someone in Zoom and need to reconnect, I'll walk you through the exact places to click and what to look for, plus a couple of simple checks if the option doesn't show up. First, open the Zoom desktop app and sign in. This needs to be the full desktop client for Windows or Mac OS, the app with your meetings, chat, and contacts all in one place. A browser tab or just joining a meeting window won't give you access to contact management. Once you're in, head to the Contacts tab. You'll find it in the left sidebar on most versions, alongside options like Home, Meetings, and Chat. The Contacts tab lists your external connections and any internal directory, depending on your account type. Now, locate the person you want to unblock. Hover your mouse over their name to reveal the ellipsis, the three dots on the right. Click those three dots. If that contact is currently blocked, you'll see an option labeled Unblock Contact in this menu, instead of Block Contact. Click Unblock Contact, and when the confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm. That's it. The block is lifted, and they can reach you again based on your chat and contact settings. If you don't see Unblock Contact in the ellipsis menu, there are a couple of quick checks. Make sure you're actually in the desktop Zoom client, not a web meeting window or a lightweight view. The full client is required for managing blocked users. If you're in the right place and still don't see it, open Settings from the Zoom app, go to the Chat section, and look for Manage Blocked Users. This area lists everyone you've blocked. Select the person you want to restore, and unblock them from there. The wording may vary slightly depending on your Zoom version, but the Manage Blocked Users link is the key. One more note. If you previously deleted that contact, unblocking alone might not bring them back into your contact list. Zoom's own help threads explain that you may need to re-add the person after unblocking to see them again in contacts. Re-adding simply restores them like any other contact you connect with. And that's the process. Open the desktop app, go to Contacts, use the ellipsis to unblock, confirm, and if the option isn't there, use Settings, Chat, and Manage Blocked Users. If the contact was deleted, just re-add them after unblocking. This keeps your Zoom connections tidy and under your control.